Bonjour classe. Okay, so today we are going to look at regular IR verbs. Okay, so the IR verbs are considered deuxième groupe, the second group. We're going to look at the present tense of these verbs. Okay, so here again, I have my pronouns, singular column, plural. Okay, the endings for my regular IR verbs are going to be IS, IT, ISSONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT. Okay, so key thing to remember with the IR verbs. In the first column, you have one syllable basically, right, as an ending. Second column, you're adding on an extra syllable. So if the verb that you're conjugating is a two-syllable verb, right? First column, they will all be two syllables. Second column, you're going to add a syllable, so it's going to become three. So let me show you an example. Let's do the verb remplir. Remplir means to fill a glass, remplir. Okay, so here is, we'll write its meaning. Here are our pronouns. Okay. It's an IR verb, so we need the root. Goes up to there, so je. Okay. Let's add our ending. So je remplis, tu remplis, il, elle, on remplit. So like I said before, right? This is a two-syllable verb, remplir. Clap it out, right? Remplir. So first column, remplis, remplis, remplis. What happens in the second column then, you're going to tack on another syllable. So nous remplissons, vous remplissez, il ou elle. So this one you have to over enunciate to hear it, but ils remplissent, right? You don't really say it like that when you're speaking, but just to hear it, ils remplissent. So, two columns, two syllables, remplir, now becomes remplissons. Vous remplissez. Ils remplissent. Elles remplissent. So you can clap it out. All right. Now I'm going to give you a list of verbs that would fall into this category. There's not as many as there were in the ER category. So you might have, here are examples. You might have accomplir, accomplir meaning to accomplish. Agir is to act or actually to react. Agrandir is to enlarge. Think of grand, right? It's to enlarge or to increase. B-A-I, B-A-T-I-R, bâtir, okay, is to build. Let's do choisir. Choisir is to choose. Convertir is to convert. Définir, définir, which is to define something. Établir is to establish. Let's do finir, which is to finish. Grossir, which is to gain weight. And we're going to look at this one again because I just want to show you when you start having all the S's that this is why it's important that you should count it out at the beginning. You can have the opposite of grossir, maigrir, maigrir, which is to lose weight or to get thin. Nourrir, to nourish, meaning to feed. Obéir is to obey. And if you do not obey, it is punir, which is to punish. Réfléchir, to reflect, to think. We'll do remplir, which is to fill up. Think of replenish maybe, if that helps. Here's another one. Réussir, which is to succeed. I think we're going to stop our list there. But like I said, I wanted to show you why it's really important to keep track of your columns, of your syllables. All right, so let's look at grossir. Like I said, grossir is to gain weight, right? So IR category, tu, we'll just stay with il for right now. And then we'll go our second column. And we'll stick with il again. Okay, so here's our root, right? It's a 2-syllable word. So your whole first column, grossir, count out the first column, you're going to have grossit, is, tu grossis, is, il grossit, it. Second column, we're going to add our ending. Let me move it over. So second column, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. All right, so clapping it out. Grossir, first column, je grossis, tu grossis, il grossit. Second column, add another syllable. So you get nous grossissons, vous grossissez, ils grossissent. Okay? It's very easy to get lost when you have a lot of S's. And what happens very often is you will forget to put the middle syllable, the IS, and you'll go straight to grosson, which is incorrect. Okay? That's it for the second category. Groupe numéro 2.